Did you know Trinidad and Tobago was once home to the thriving cultures of the Arawaks and Caribs? These indigenous peoples with their distinct traditions and ways of life were the original inhabitants of these vibrant islands. Then, in 1498, Christopher Columbus sailed into Trinidad's view, marking a pivotal encounter that would introduce these islands to the European sphere. This momentous meeting set the stage for a new epic. Thus, began the European chapter in the history of Trinidad and Tobago. The Spanish claimed Trinidad in the 16th century, but it was the British who left a lasting imprint. These acts of colonization were not without contest, particularly in Tobago. The island was like a hot potato, tossed between European powers in a game of expansionist tug-of-war. Each change of control brought new settlers, new cultures, and new ways of life. This period saw the introduction of new people and cultures, forever changing the island's demographic fabric. A darker period in the island's history, the era of African slavery and Indian indentureship, had a significant impact on its cultural landscape. The influx of African slaves and Indian indentured laborers brought with them a wealth of traditions, languages, and cuisines which intermingled with existing cultures, creating a unique blend that defines Trinidad and Tobago today. Despite the harsh conditions, these communities managed to preserve their cultures, which are still vibrant in today's Trinidad and Tobago. In 1962, a new chapter began for the islands as they gained independence. Breaking free from British rule, Trinidad and Tobago charted its own course, culminating in the establishment of a republic in 1976. The nation's oil wealth played a pivotal role, fueling economic growth and fostering development. Infrastructure improved, industries expanded, and the standard of living rose. This period marked the transformation of Trinidad and Tobago into a modern Caribbean hub. No exploration of Trinidad and Tobago's history is complete without a nod to its vibrant carnival. A yearly explosion of color, rhythm, and life, the carnival traces its roots back to the diverse traditions of the island's inhabitants. It's a grand stage where creativity knows no bounds, and cultures seamlessly intertwine, the African drums resonating with Indian melodies, all under the Caribbean sun. This jubilant celebration is more than a spectacle. It's a living testament to the island's resilient spirit and cultural diversity. Like any nation, Trinidad and Tobago faced challenges, but it also achieved significant milestones. Economic shifts such as the transition from agriculture to oil, and social issues like crime and inequality, have tested the resilience of these islands. Yet the nation has also celebrated achievements in education, with a high literacy rate, and sports, producing world-class athletes. On the global stage, Trinidad and Tobago has made strides in diplomacy, contributing to international peace and development. Despite its challenges, Trinidad and Tobago continues to stride forward, making its mark on the world stage.